Didn't know the details behind this event. You might think it was part of the campaign trail, but it was an official White House production. President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris came to Maryland this afternoon, and then they walked out on stage together at Prince George's County Community College for a White House event that sure looked and sounded like a Democratic campaign rally. A packed house, a cheering crowd, big name elected Democrats. It was their first joint appearance since President Biden stepped aside so Vice President Harris could become the presumptive Democratic presidential nominee. At this event today, the president announced that his administration struck a deal to lower the cost of 10 of Medicare's most commonly prescribed medications. President Biden said it will save lives and save taxpayers billions of dollars. Vice President Harris says it's about time, and both of them bashed Big Pharma.
Medicare represents more than 65 million people. And so Medicare has collective bargaining power. And now Medicare can use that power to go toe-to-toe with Big Pharma and negotiate lower drug prices.
You know, it isn't just about health care. It's about your dignity. No, it's about your dignity. It's about peace of mind. It's about security. It's about taking care of your family. It's about giving folks just a little bit more breathing room.
The president also said 10 additional drugs will be added to that list every year. And he said this is something he's been trying to get done since the 70s, since he was a freshman senator on Capitol Hill. He also had big shout outs to the top Maryland Democrats in attendance, including Governor Wes Moore, Congressman Kweisi Mfume, and U.S. Senator Ben Cardin, who is, of course, retiring. The GOP, of course, pushed back, and the Maryland Republican Party did so on social media with a post today that said in part, quote, hopefully this visit inspires them to change course and stop imposing their high tax, high spending agenda on the American people. Live in the newsroom tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.